All right, hello everyone. Today we're in Kyoto. We're in Kyoto and we're at Teramachi, and we're just walking around Kyoto and seeing if there's anything interesting. We just walked all the way from Higashiyama Station, which was like a 15-minute walk. But we wanted to come to Kyoto today and check out something new, or just come down to Teramachi because we love coming down to this downtown area. So yeah, we wanted to try something new, so we went over to Higashiyama, and that was a big failure. And then we went to the Zest Mall. Nah, that was kind of a failure too. There wasn't much there, but yeah, I'm always trying to find something new here. So right now we're gonna walk down towards the main area. I've been here so many times, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing this week, and yeah, maybe just share my adventures with you guys. Look at this shop here.
I've come here before.
We did.
Come here a lot of times.
We come here all the time, actually, yeah. But this is some sort of coffee shop. Freshly roasted.
Oh, you know what I remember?
Yes.
You want to go drink the milk tea or like the mango drink?
Well, can they use almond milk? How come this place is so popular? Wow, a lot of people. This coffee must be really delicious. Some sort of like art exhibit, some like kanji. It's pretty cool. That's what's nice about Kyoto. It's always like culture, art mixed with, you know, tradition and history. I've never seen this before. It's like a Thai clothing brand. And then see, like, they have a temple in the middle of this like little shopping area. Yeah, it was a little bit hot earlier, but now it's getting so much better. Look at this place, it's so packed.
The tea store, go check.
Okay.
I buy
Is-
that tea a lot.
Is this famous?
When I just come here.
Oh really? Wow, this place looks cool. In Kyoto?
In Japan.
Oh, this place is really famous in Japan?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Lupika? Look, I don't know how to write it. You can see Lupika.
Oh. Oh, look at the store, it's so fancy. Whoa, look at this place. It's pretty cool. It does smell like a Chinese temple. This is so cool. Look at this place. Whoa. What is this? Some sort of bakery. Oh, that looks pretty delicious. I think some sort of like mochi dessert place. Let's try to get in this window over here. There's a lot of people today. Today is a holiday actually, so I feel like there's more people than usual though. It's nice with the violin music. Oh, this door's always closed. It's finally open. Look at this meat here. Oh man, that looks so fresh and delicious. I could eat this raw. 100 grams is like $6, I believe. Yeah. Check out this vintage store of American clothes. This sweater is like 20 bucks. Vicky. all these shirts are about 20 bucks. Bob's Indian Sales and Service, Pennsylvania. I want to see what they have in here actually. Got this Ford t-shirt. How much is this? About 20 bucks. These prices aren't that overpriced like usual vintage stores are. Not bad. They have this chic, I think it's Italian restaurant, Italian / American restaurant. I think it's pretty expensive though. And then they got this Chinese restaurant right across the street. They got some old school bikes here at this cafe.
Sticker?
A sticker shop?
Yeah.
Get some spray. Oh. Whoa, look at all these cool stickers. I like this one. That is cute. This is crazy, this store. It's a sticker shop. I've never noted this store before. Model Guns Surplus. Yeah, I've never walked this way before, I think. That's probably why. It smells good. It smells good.
Indo restaurant.
Where? Oh, Indian restaurant, that's probably why. Yeah. Yeah, actually, I've never been on this side before. They got a K-pop store up here, which is pretty interesting. K-pop is really going crazy in Japan. Alright, and then this is the main street out here almost. We're gonna head over to Takashimaya because my girlfriend wants to go to a bookstore. And then we might get something to eat. This place is called Mr. Young Men. This is where it gets really busy out on the street over here. You see? It's really busy here. So we just got to the bookstore that my girlfriend wanted to go to. It's actually in Takashimaya Mall, which is like a luxury mall. And this bookstore is pretty small compared to the other bookstores in Japan. But I think she was looking for some sort of special magazine. But this is it. Alright, so I need a break. So while my girlfriend is purchasing her magazine, I'm gonna sit on one of these couches. They're really expensive couches. This one looks pretty nice. This one looks really nice actually. It's a pretty big couch. I have to have a really big house. Alright, we made it out. We're gonna go check out a Korean restaurant and see if it's open.
It's open.
Alright. They give you this like little apron for your so the grease doesn't get to your clothes. Alright, they gave her some tin, and then they got some side vegetables that are unlimited. Alright, just like we got one each, which is like $9.80 each, which is a little bit kind of expensive. Alright, we just finished eating, and my girlfriend wanted to get some milk tea, so we're gonna get some milk tea. And yeah, I didn't film too much inside because it was so busy and packed, and there were people sitting right next to us. But now we just came out and everything is dark. Alright, so we left Kyoto and then we're near our house, but we stopped by the station because my girlfriend wanted to look for a magazine. So I thought maybe I'd just continue this video here. I'm gonna walk around just a little bit, and then while she's looking for a magazine. So they just revamped this whole station here, and they also have a Kaodi too. They have this Kaodi everywhere, and I usually go to this foreigner shop. Kaodi. It's in the other video too as well. So I'm gonna walk around here, see if there's anything interesting, and yeah, wait for my girlfriend to get her magazine. This smells so good. It's like cream puffs. Alright, this is right out of the station. It's a pretty happening station. They got a lot of bars out here and restaurants. Got this takoyaki place. They got a Burger King right there, which is pretty crazy. You don't see too many Burger Kings out in Japan. That's it. I've never been inside the supermarket, so I'm gonna go check it out real fast. This place is really cool, but look at all this sushi. 20% off because it's late at night. This looks like pretty good quality. Alright. Whoa. It's pretty cold in here too. It's a pretty long grocery store here. This layout is really interesting because it's just like one floor. Some snacks here. Yeah, this is an actual Aeon supermarket, so it's pretty small though. Got anything interesting? Oh, I've never seen these Hershey's cookies and creams here. It's pretty interesting. Some Doritos. Alright guys, yeah, we kind of cut it short. We planned to do more. We planned to walk around more, but we kind of just cut it short all of a sudden. And we just kind of left. I think we were just tired. The food was really good. It was a little bit expensive. Each little pork strip was about $9, so it's kind of expensive. We ended up spending about, what was it, $4,600, so about like $45. And it was pretty good though. But Korean food is going to be a little bit expensive, especially in that kind of place. But this video might be a little bit short, but I hope you enjoyed coming along with me, and I hope you guys look out for future videos, and thank you for watching. See you later. Goodbye.
$25 is expensive for 2 person?
I guess not. I guess I'm just cheap. $20 each. Like $23 each. Well, yeah, I mean, I guess if you compare it to like eating just the Thai food, which is probably going to be like $15 each. I feel like maybe more. Yeah, you don't know actually. The Thai restaurant looked pretty fancy.